is having epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous. This is enough for you. Okay, epidermis is the outermost layer, dermis is the middle layer, and subcutaneous is the innermost layer. Under this there is a muscle is there. Okay, under the subcutaneous there is a muscle. Okay. Is anyone recording the class?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. So please record the class. After completion of the class, just share to me once. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Wait. Okay. I think no one is in pending. Like so few of the people are there. If adding in between the class is like it becomes a good very big problem. Okay. So from tomorrow onwards, only still 8:20. Only I'll see to those people only. I'll tell the class because many of the people are like feeling like disturbed. Okay. Just time is time for you and me also. But even once or 10 minutes or 15 minutes is okay for everyone. So first we'll go with the procedure of repairs, and next I will start with the debridement. Okay, the repair code starts with the 121001. So just open 12001. If you have any of the hard copies, just you can go. And for today only I will tell how to search the code also. Okay, how to search this code also I will tell. Just go to the 12001 in your book. Yes. So here is the repair. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay. Repair code starts with the 12001. How many of the repair codes are there? Like how many types of lacerations are there? Lacerations are of three types. Okay. Lacerations are of three types. One is the simple, next intermediate, and complex. Okay, simple, intermediate, and complex. Okay, basing upon that we will code the repair basing upon this. uh, so if any of the laceration is happened to the patient, what is the thing first physician will do? First, physician will check the depth of the laceration. Okay, depth of the laceration will check by the physician. First I will tell you how to check the code, how to see the code, how to read the complete code. See, for example only I am telling. So suppose you can take randomly any of the code in your CPT book. Just see, this is one of the random code. 11950 is one of the random code here. So what is the description of this code? Subcutaneous injection of filling material. Okay, subcutaneous injection of filling material. What is the symbol here after collagen? What is the symbol here? What is the symbol you are observing after collagen?
Semicolon.
Yes, we called it as the semicolon is one of the symbol. Okay, so this is the description. This is the, so from subcutaneous to in the bracket there is a collagen. So still here it is valid to this thing and this thing and this thing also. Okay, this is valid to under these codes also. Like when we are coding 11951, we can read the code like subcutaneous injection of filling material, example collagen 1.1250 cc. It is the complete code description of 11951. So what is the complete code for what is the complete code description of 11952? Okay, example only I am telling 11952. What is the complete code description for this code? So subcutaneous injection of filling material, example collagen 5.1 to 10.0 cc. This is the complete code description of 11952. So did you understand how we are reading the code?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Wait, some more people are there. Okay, next coming into the another code, like randomly I'll ask you, just see. Oh, see this thing 11900. This is one of the random code in our CPT book. Just read the complete description of this 11900. Injection intralesional up to and including 7 lesions. So this is the complete description. While we are reading the description of 11901, how can we read 11900? This is the sorry, for 11901 we can read injection intralesional. Next, after semicolon you can add more than 7 lesions. Like that you need to read the CPT code. Did you understand how we are using the codes?
Yes, sir.
This is the process of like searching the code also. If anyone of asked you what is 11921 description, like few people will tell 6.1 to 2.0 square meters, but this is not the correct way. To give the correct code description, follow this thing. Okay, what I am telling now, just follow this thing. Once tell me what is the complete description of 11921.
Tattooing
Injection.
intradermal production of insoluble opaque pigment to correct color defects of the skin, including micropigmentation of 6.1 to 20 square centimeter.
Yes, this is the process of reading. This is the way of reading the CPT code. Did you understand how we are how we are reading? How we are?
సార్ ఇక్కడ సెమికోలన్ లేదు కదా సార్
But here is a semicolon. Semicolon is there. Just see
Yeah,
carefully. Okay, semicolon లేకుండా ఏ మెయిన్ కోడ్ ఉండదు. And I'll tell you one more thing also. This is the main code. Okay, the main code starts always with the capital letter. Remind this thing. Main code always starts with the this thing like a capital letter. Okay, this is the main code. Next, these are the like subcodes of additional code, add-on codes of this thing. Okay, what is the plus symbol indicating? Already you know that. What is the
Add-on code.
add-on
Add-on code.
99222? That means See, for add-on codes, there is a like one more description line under the code that use 11299 in conjunction with 11921. So what it is telling means, like if we are using 11921, like we can use this add-on code with this code only. Okay, we can use this 11922 code with this code. So that is the thing here. Use 11922 in conjunction with the 11291. If you see the description, you will get the good idea. So what is the main code for this? What is the main code for this 11921?
Double nine.
11920.
29920. Okay, 99920 is the main code. So tattooing intradermal introduction of insoluble opaque pigments to correct color defects of skin, including micropigmentation. Okay, so the length of this tattooing procedure, what is the length of this tattooing procedure? 6.0 square centimeters or less. Okay, అంటే tattooing procedure యొక్క స్క్వేర్ సెంటీమీటర్ 6.2 కన్నా 6.0 స్క్వేర్ సెంటీమీటర్స్ ఆర్ లెస్ ఉండాలి. More than 6 ఉంటే then you can use, if the tattooing square centimeters is more than 6.1. Just I am telling you the example. This is not that much important, but randomly I take this as an example and just I am telling you how to read, how to follow, and how to use. Okay, just follow this thing. Don't worry about the description is there. We don't know what is the description, so don't worry like that. Okay, just follow the procedure. Okay, coding means not to remember the codes. Just coding is just how to code is your duty only. So no need to remember. Okay, so see here. So for the 11921, if tattooing procedure is more than 6 square centimeters, then how can you code more than 6 centimeters?
11.11921.
11921 we can use if the tattooing square centimeters is more than 6.1 to 20 square centimeters. Then in between only 6.1 to 2.0 square centimeters, then you can use this code. If tattooing square centimeters is more than this thing, okay, more than, there is an add-on code here. Each additional అంటే 20.0 square centimeters ki inka enta add aina, just you can use along with 99921, you can use 11222. No need to use 11920. Okay, when you are using 11921, no need to use 99920. If you are giving 11921, that description is included in 99921, so no need to give 11920. So I'll tell you one example. Tattooing square centimeters is about the 40 square centimeters. Then how can you code?
11921.
99922. So this is the way of reading the codes. Okay, so everyone understand how to read the code description. So this is also one of the very important thing. So if anyone ask you that how to read the CPT code, just you can read like this. Okay,
Sir?
Tell me, someone is like calling me.
Sir?
Chappandi.
Sir, do we have to write the code same like ICD, like with a comma in between the codes?
Comma between the codes, like we are using. So see one thing, guys, when you are reading, like when you are following in this coaching, or when you are following in this training centers, you are using only commas and in between. But when you are in the on floor work, no need to, there is no problem with that thing, because there is a specific panels. For ICD have the specific panel, CPT has a specific panel, each CPT code has the each panel. So like manam ela ante, when you are filling the one application, so name is having one of the column, date of birth is having one of the column, like that each code is having one of the specific columns, so you can code there separately. So here there is no problem like that. Even in your CCS examination also there is no problem. Okay, So, but while you are typing, you can add comma for your understanding. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, one more doubt.
Chappandi.
If the measurement is more than 40, one add-on code to add. If it is more than 40, we need to add two add-on codes.
No, like you can add only one code only is enough, because that code description, very good question. Like, see, what we read, like tattooing
Double
procedure,
one,
right? What is the code description?
double one nine two.
1192.
1192. 1192. So see here, each additional 20 square centimeters, each additional 20 square centimeters or part thereof separately in addition to code of primary processor. Like if it is more than 2.0 square centimeters, just you can give 2.0 square centimeters is enough. Okay.
Not clear, sir. If it is 40,
Even if it is 40 also, once wait.
We can add the into two.
No, once wait. So we can multiply only few of the codes. Okay, we can multiply only few of the codes. So to which codes we need to multiply, to which codes we need we do not multiply, I'll tell you. Wait, I have one list of codes, I'll check and tell. Once wait. 99122. More than 40 square centimeters you are asking. So if it is more than 40 square centimeters, okay, if it is more than 40 square centimeters, just you can give one add-on code, like 119222 plus 11922. That means here there is one thing here, like there is a guideline here. If it is more than 40 square centimeters, sorry, if it is more than extra 20 square centimeters, you can give only one. If it is double of 4 centimeters, means that means 40 or 40, like again 20 plus 20, you can increase the code numbering. No need to multiply code. Okay, you no need to multiply this code. Like 11921 is one of the code, 119222 is for 20 square centimeters, and another 20 square centimeters. Okay, if it is another 20 square centimeters, you can add. But I already told you only to 40 square centimeters. That means 120 is covered here, and another 20 is covered here. So no need to give one more code. If it is 60, you can give one extra code. Did you understand what I'm?
add-on, right?
Did you understand what I'm telling?
Yes. If it is 60, two add-on codes.
అప్పుడు 119223 ఇవ్వాలి సార్.
Yes, because 120 covers here. Okay, 120 is already there here. So 120 for 1191 is for 120. 11922 is for another 20. So total 40 is enough here.
Your voice is not clear.
Someone else is on unmute.
So please be in mute. Like keep your microphone in mute for.
ఇప్పుడు 60 ఉంటే ఎలా సార్? 11923.
At that time, how you can manage means just like 140 is cover 140 is included in this code, another 40 in this code, and 120 is balance. So 11921, 11922, and extra 11922, because 20 60 cover.
ఓకే, 11922 ని ఇంకొకసారి యాడ్ చేయమని.
యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే another 20. But if it is less than 20, but because if it is 19 or 18, extra 19 or 18, you no need to code extra. If it is reached 20, then only you can use. Did you understand?
ఓకే సార్ సార్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు ఇలాంటివి ఇవ్వండి సార్. ఆప్షన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి వీ కెన్
ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ మీకు ఇంకా ఆప్షన్స్ ఇస్తే మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది.
ఈసారి క్వశ్చన్స్ లో యాడ్ చేయండి సార్.
ఓకే, సో కమింగ్ టు ద so we'll go with this.
If 19 means also we can code now because a part of there is also 19.
What?
Suppose there was additional 20 centimeter is given, but it like 40 you are saying suppose 39 is gone, then also we can able to code na 11921 and 11922.
Yes, then also we can code.
Yeah, because you are saying no need to code 11922. That's what.
If it is reached to 20 square centimeters, then we can use 11922.
Suppose the centimeter is 39 centimeters square, then what we will code 11921 and 11922, right?
Yes, actually, if it is more than 20, just you can give like this only.
Okay, so both code we can able to code, right?
Yes, we can code both because like in the case of additional code, I am telling in the case of additional code only. See one thing, 11921. This is for 6.1 to 20 square centimeters. If it is even 22 or 23 is also there, then also we need to give this code 11922.
Okay.
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 Next, coming to the repairs, just see the repairs. Repairs means what is meant by the repair? So for what we are repairing? So we are
Lacerations.
for lacerations we are repairing. Okay, there is a three main there are three types of repairs here. One is the simple, intermediate, and complex. So these are the one is the simple, another one is the intermediate, and next one is the complex repair. So what is the simple and intermediate and complex? So I already told you that is depending upon the depth of the tissue. Okay, that is depending upon the depth of the tissue. That means simple repair is used when the wound is superficial. Example, involving primary epidermis or dermis or subcutaneous. That means depth still only for till subcutaneous tissue only. Okay, in the simple repair, what are included? Epidermis, dermis, or subcutaneous. Okay, example, involving primarily epidermis or dermis or subcutaneous. So this is the simple repair. And if physician is mentioned clearly simple one layer closure, okay, this is one of the key point to remember the simple repair. If physician mentioned simple one layer closure, that is also simple repair type. Okay, if physician mentioned clearly simple one layer repair, what is that? Simple one layer repair means that is the simple repair. Okay, just you can like it is the keyword or key point for the simple repair. To find out the simple repair, simple one layer closure is one of the thing. Okay, next, coming to the intermediate. So what is there in the intermediate? Included say repair of wounds that in addition to the above require layer of closure of one or more of the deeper layers of the subcutaneous tissue and superficial. So if physician clearly mentioned deeper layers of subcutaneous tissue and superficial, so superficial, non-muscle, fascia, like these are the keywords to find out the intermediate repair. Okay, see here, superficial superficial, subcutaneous, and superficial deep layers. Deep layers. This is the like keywords for the intermediate repair. Deep layers. Next, superficial, non-muscle fascia. So these are the intermediate repairs. And another thing is also that single layer closure of heavily contaminated and extensive cleaning. Just you can underline extensive cleaning in your book. If physician mentioned, sometimes physician does not mention if it is a simple repair, if it is a intermediate repair, it is a complex repair. Sometimes he won't mention like this, but there is a, in between the description, like there is a, he mentioned like it is a I cleaned, sorry, extensive cleaning is used, extensive cleaning, or single one layer closure means what is there? What is like a simple one layer closure? What is meant by simple one layer closure?
Simple repair.
Simple one layer closure means simple repair. Like that, if physician mentioned extensive cleaning, okay, if physician mentioned extensive cleaning, that is the intermediate or deep layers of subcutaneous tissue. If physician mentioned like this, that is the intermediate repair type. Okay, the type of repair is intermediate. Then coming to the complex repair. So this topic is very important for your interview also. That interviewer may ask you how many types of repairs are there, and what are the like what is meant by simple repair, what is meant by the complex repair. So like that they'll ask you in the interviews also. So just listen carefully. Just you can remember these key points what I am telling. So complex repair. Coming to the complex repair, what is meant by the complex repair? There is a few more like key points for this. Exposure of bone, cartilage or tendon, or named neurovascular, or if like this is mentioned, if exposure of bone in the sense when bone gets exposed, if it is a deep laceration, that means complete skin gets ruptured, complete skin gets damaged, that means till to the bone. Under the skin, what is there? Bone is there. So that means completely skin gets damaged and bone exposed to the outside. That repair is called the complex repair. So exposure of bone is one of the keyword for the complex repair. Did you understand the repairs?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So are you following the class?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the different types of repairs. Okay. Then coming to the how to code the repair. So repair, simple repair and intermediate repair are there. To code the repair, first you need to check whether the repair is like whether the repair is simple repair, complex repair, or what type of repair is given. Just you need to find out the type of repair first. So repair to the which anatomical site? Okay, repair to the which anatomical site? And next you need to check type of repair. Okay, this is the first point, type of repair. Next you need to check length of the wound length ఎంత ఉంది. What is the length of the wound? Location of the wound. First how can we check? What to check in first thing?
Type of
repair.
Type of repair is the first thing you need to check in the medical report. Like what is the type of repair, and next length of the wound. Okay, next is the length of the wound, and next is the next next is the location of the wound. First one is the type of repair, next one is the length of wound, next one is the location of the wound. Okay, let us see how to code. Okay, so see the description. First come to the having
Simple repair.
okay, simple repair is the first thing. And next, how can we check like what is the next thing to
Length of the
length of
length of
Length of
the
2.5 centimeters or less. Okay, 2.5 centimeters or less. Next, we need to check the anatomical sites. So there is a list of anatomical sites here: scalp, neck, axillae, external genitalia, trunk, and extremities. So these are the including hands and feet. Extremities includes hands and feet. Hands and feet. Okay. So this is a simple repair. So to know the complete description 12004, already you know how to like how to find the complete description. What is the complete description? 12004. Only what is the change here? The length is only the change. Did you understand? The length is only the change. Remaining the type of repair is same and anatomical sites is also same for under all these codes. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is about the simple repair. And in the simple repair, another set of anatomical sites is also there. See, this is also 2.5 centimeters and the above code is also 2.5 centimeters. But what is the difference? Anatomical
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 side-
sites are different. Among 12001, among 12011, the only difference is anatomical sites. The length is same and the repair is also, the type of repair is also same. So here is one main important guideline. It is very useful for coding the repair. So listen carefully. I'll tell you with one example. You can understand very easily with that example. So repair happens to the external genitalia. Okay, external genitalia. Just you can note down first. Just you can note down in your book. While I'm telling the length of the, you need to calculate only simple way. The length of the genitalia is about the 3 centimeters. Okay, the length of the genitalia is about the 3 centimeters. Next, the length of the neck is about the 2 centimeters. Okay, the length of the neck is about the 2 centimeters. Next, the length of the nose is about the 3 centimeters. The length of the nose is about the 3 centimeters. Now see the list of anatomical sites. In the 12001, what are the anatomical sites I told you? One is the neck.
Nose.
Is there nose in the 12001?
No, sir. No.
No.
Nose.
Nose is not there. Nose is not there here. So you can add both the neck centimeters and also external genitalia. That means how much? 2 plus 3.
12005.
On the
So 12002 is the code. Okay, 12002 is the code. Then another thing is also there. What is that? Nose.
Nose.
So 12011. So you can add only the set of codes only, set of anatomical sites only you can add. You like, did you understand what I am telling?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, ఇక్కడ length of the nose 3 centimeters.
Yes, nose
3
is
centimeters.
This is the 3 centimeters. That is
12013 కదా.
013.
Yeah.
Okay. Like that you need to code every repair. If and also one thing, no need to mix this code, this anatomical sites and this anatomical sites. You can code this anatomical sites separately and you can code this anatomical sites separately. Okay. వీటిని తీసుకొచ్చి ఇందిట్లో తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇందిట్లో పెట్టి అయితే యాడ్ చేయకూడదు. ఓన్లీ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ anatomical sites only. And also you no need to mix the types of repair also. If the two types of repairs are there for the single patient, go through that and just you can add only those set of repairs only. I will tell you one clear example now. Just you can add and tell me the code. After that, we'll move into the debridement. Wait 1 minute. Okay. Physician had done extensive cleaning. Just you can note down. Physician had done extensive cleaning. Extensive cleaning. Extensive cleaning of scalp. Of scalp is about 8 centimeters. Extensive cleaning of scalp is about 8 centimeters. Okay, 8 centimeters. Next, same extensive cleaning of scalp is about 8 centimeters, and hands is about 3 centimeters. Is about 3 centimeters.
One 2034 and 1041.
The question is not yet completed. Wait. Okay. I told you only two things. Extensive cleaning of scalp is about 8 centimeters and hands is about 3 centimeters. I told you. And for that patient only, what happened for that patient? For that patient only, complex like bone is exposed. Okay, bone is exposed to the outside. Bone is exposed to the outside. Bone is exposed to the outside, and on face, bone is exposed to the outside. On face is about 2.5 centimeters. Then what is the codes of all these three things?
Hands and scalp is 12004.
What? Hands and scalp is about?
It is 11 centimeters.
No.
For
Just
bone exposure, it is 13131.
one for bone exposure. What is the code?
13131.
131.
31. You told us that 2.5 centimeters.
Wait.
On face.
So I told you on the face, right?
One three one three one.
12131.
13131 for a complex repair.
So for the face, I told you, right? So for this is the intermediate repair, this is the complex repair. So for the face, in the sense, forehead, okay, this is a 12131 is okay. Next, so 13131 you are telling, right?
Yes, for fracture.
Complex repair.
Okay, for complex repair. Next, Priyanka, are you trying?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So what is the two codes of extensive cleaning?
For the scalp, 12034.
Okay.
Hands, 12042.
Why you are not adding 12034 on 8 centimeters and 3 centimeters?
Excluding hands and feet are given in the bracket.
Yes, in separately they are given. Okay, those are not belongs to the same set of code. If anatomical sites belongs to the same set of code, Then only you need to add. So can I told you with one another example?
Yes, sir.
Wait. First of all, I'll make one question and I'll tell you. Okay. So just you can note down. Simple repair of scalp is about 6 centimeters. Feet is about 3 centimeters. And for the same patient only, on his trunk, extensive cleaning is extensive cleaning had done. Extensive cleaning had done on the trunk is about 12 centimeters. Is about 12 centimeters, and then axilla 3 centimeters. Now give me the codes.
12004.
12004.
Scalp.
12035.
For extensive cleaning, what is the code?
12034.
35.
35.
So total how much centimeters? 120. Sorry, 12 centimeters.
For extensive,
How much centimeter? Can you repeat?
Total 15 centimeters, right? For
Centimeters. Yeah.
what?
2035.
12035, because 12 centimeters is on the trunk. That means for the extensive cleaning means that is intermediate repair. For trunk is about 12 centimeters and axilla is about 3 centimeters. That means total 15 centimeters. So 15 centimeters means 12035. Okay, 12035. Then what is the first? I told you simple repair. That means for feet is about 3 centimeters and scalp is about 6 centimeters. That means total 9 centimeters. So 9 centimeters, and those two are belongs to the same set of anatomical sites. Then the code is 9 centimeters means 12004. So those two codes are, first code is 12004, next code is 12035. This is the way how to code the repairs.
సింపుల్ రిపేర్ లో స్కాల్ప్ ఫీట్ ఇంకేం చెప్పారు సార్? యాక్సిల్లా.
సింపుల్ రిపేర్ లో నేను స్కాల్ప్ ఫీటే చెప్పా. ఇంటర్మీడియట్ రిపేర్ లో యాక్సిల్లే అండ్ ట్రంక్ చెప్పా. ట్రంక్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ 12 centimeters, యాక్సిల్లే ఈజ్ అబౌట్ 3 centimeters.
స్కాల్ప్ ఫీట్ 3 చెప్పారా సార్? 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters.
No. Oh yes, scalp is 3 centimeters, axilla is 3 centimeters. But
Scalp 6 centimeters.
sorry, feet is 3 centimeters, axilla is 3 centimeters.
Scalp 6 centimeters చెప్పారు సార్.
అవును, సింపుల్ రిపేర్ లో స్కాల్ప్ 6 centimeters చెప్పా, ఫీట్ ఏమో 3 centimeters చెప్పా.
ఓకే ఓకే.
ఇంటర్మీడియట్ రిపేర్ లోనేమో 12 centimeters ట్రంక్ చెప్పా, యాక్సిల్ ఏమో 3 centimeters చెప్పా. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్.
హలో,
చెప్పండి.
బ్రో, tell me once again about the complex repair key point.
So complex repair key point means when physician, if sometimes physician clearly mentioned, I repaired complex repair. Okay, the laceration is very complex. Like this he mentioned, then you can finalize it is the repair is the complex repair. But sometimes indirectly physician mentioned the bone is exposed to the outside. Okay, if bone is exposed to the outside, if like this any of the key point is there, just you can consider that as the complex repair.
So almost they said complex repair, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Next, coming to the repair. So this is also this is the set of complex repair codes. Shall we do one example in complex, or just you can go through that? This is also same like that only. There is no change in that also. So next, coming to the debridement. Okay. What is meant by the debridement? First, tell me. Any of the people you know about the debridement? Did you listen anywhere before?
Extraction of necrotizing tissue.
Yes. Like removal of dead skin anochu. Okay. Edaina, if anything is happened to you, or that heal, after healing there is a like dead skin is formed on the wound. So removing that is also debridement procedure only. Okay. So removal of skin tags and debridement will conclude today. In 15 to 20 minutes, I'll conclude this session. And after completion of this, I'll send you the set of questions from repair only, repair and debridement. So see, so there is no that much of specific guidelines, for this thing. Okay. So debridement, it is depending upon the percentage. Okay, it is depending upon the percentage of debridement. ఎంతైతే పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ డెడ్ స్కిన్ తీసారు అని చెప్పడానికి ఇది యూస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఓకే, కమింగ్ టు ద 11000 debridement of extensive eschematus or infected skin up to 10% of body surface. Okay, up to 10% of body surface. Then 11000 is used. That means this is very rarely coming code, but giving percentages is very rare. But see, okay, sometimes in square centimeters also physician mentioned. Okay, in square centimeters also. So debridement subcutaneous tissue, first 20 square centimeters or less, like this. I'll tell you with one example. So coming to the debridement, first thing, debridement means removal of the dead or infected tissue to promote healing. Okay, to promote healing. Removal of dead or infected tissue to promote healing. This is the debridement. And next, the code starts from the 11042.